Kim Kardashian sure knows how to throw a party. The reality star shared some fun photos from her 42nd birthday bash on social media Tuesday, offering a closer look into her world. The Skims founder celebrated another year around the sun on October 21 with a fete held at her office space in the Los Angeles suburb of Calabasas, California. The area was decorated in some of Kim's favorite neutral tones. The office walls were masked with white draping, while long tables were covered in white clothes and laden with multiple candles of various shapes and sizes. Kim was the center of attention as she showcased her curves in a strapless sheer white lace dress, with black bra and panties as her foundation garments. Family members, including big sister Kourtney, 43, and younger sisters Khloe, 38, Kendall, 26 and Kylie, 25, were out in full force, as was their mother, Kris, 66. Kylie and Kourtney both opted for black mini dresses with leather jackets, while Khloe was stylish in a skin-tight pink halter dress and Kendall was turned out in a burgundy and gold frock. Family matriarch Kris Jenner was dazzling in a sparkling silver tuxedo-inspired dress with platinum and diamond earrings. The doting mom shared the photo on her own Instagram, writing a rivalrous, when they both think they're the favorite. Camera crews were at the ready to capture all the evening's festivities in photos and on video. Guests at the lavish event included Sky High stars Malika Hawk and her sister, Khadija Hawk McRae, 39. Influencer Stephanie Shepard, who started out as Kim's assistant, was there, as was Pooh's chief content officer, Sarah Howard, and longtime family friend and PR consultant Simon Huck. Guests were seen enjoying cocktails and sushi. The photos offer a close-up look at the ornate birthday cake topped with only 4 candles. The guest of honor seemed to sum up the event nicely, writing "Birthday Love" on social media.